Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow yarrow from seed and how to collect it yourself from your own existing plant or a friend's. It's super easy, fast, simple. You get more bang for your buck and honestly it's way more fun. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself. So let's get into it. This is an actual seed packet I bought from a local gardening store, and as you can see, there's not very many seeds in it, so this is why I prefer to extract my own seeds from existing plants. You get more bang for your buck, like I mentioned before, and it is way more fun. So right now it's September in Southern California, and as you can see here, all my yarrow is pretty much dried out, bloomed out, and ready to be extracted. So wherever you are, just make sure all of the blooms are, for the most part, done before you start cutting off and taking the seeds. This is a close-up of the seeds. All those little white dots are the yarrow seeds, and what we're gonna do is super simple. We're gonna take our scissors, we're gonna cut off the yarrow, and then from there you're gonna take a plastic bag, stick the yarrow in the plastic bag, shake it out, and you will have seeds nice and ready for planting. You can already see all the seeds just come right off. It's that simple. You can either place the seeds in a pot and cover them with topsoil and watch them grow from there, or you can be like me, the lazy gardener way, and just toss them in the ground. Now, I have a particular way of doing it. I make sure that the area gets sufficient water. Even though these are drought tolerant and, they could probably handle it, I just want to give them a head start. So in the next clip, I'll show you what I do. Now it's time for me to spread the seeds, and I like to pick areas that I know will get sufficient water. Even though yarrow isn't, it's drought tolerant and doesn't need much water, you want to give your plant a head start. So all of these are weeds, and these just tell me that this area gets water. So I'm gonna go ahead and disperse my seeds here. Nothing extravagant or special. Like I always say, I'm a lazy gardener, so I just like to toss my seeds. And I always say, as long as your seeds are specific to your area and your zone, make sure you're getting wildflowers for your specific zone. So yarrow might not work for you if you're in another state. I'm in California. If you're not sure what plants are native to your area, please comment below the state, zone, or city you're from, and I will gladly give you a list of native flowers and plants that will help elevate your garden. Awesome. I really don't care where they go. And then if you're extra lazy, you can just cut off the ends of the yarrow and toss them, or just shake them. You see all the seeds coming out. It's that simple. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if it works for you, and also let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Please don't hesitate to tell me where you're listening from. I love to connect with fellow gardeners, and I love to answer questions. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I will be posting a lot more videos coming up, and I really appreciate anyone who tunes into these. I really enjoy making these videos, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.